What you'd like to do next, or what you could do next, is actually upload your contract. So the contracts here are very tailored towards your job type. And I'm actually going to click out of this so you can see. So we have a default contract for you. What you can do is you can tailor your contracts to the job type. If you have a specific contract for mini sessions or family sessions, you can actually come in here and create one just for that. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to create one quickly. So what you'll see is the terms and conditions in here. It's the client name, the package pricing, all of the shoot information are generated once your client details are set. So you don't have to do anything. You don't have to input variables or anything like that. And what you can do is come in here. Update those terms and conditions language. So I'm just going to put this as Goodrich contract. And what I actually like to do is just to simplify everything is to put it across all categories, which is global. And that way I have one contract. I don't even have to did I do the right contract or not? So I just actually set it and forget it. So the default contract is in here. I'm just going to delete that. I highly recommend you come in and change the language for that for you. So the terms and conditions I'm going to open, and this is from my old contract. So I'm just going to copy, then paste into here. Expand. Okay, great. So I might actually come in and edit a little bit just to take out, okay, pasting, but same. You'll probably, if you keep filming up all the gaps, I would. So these are my terms and conditions. Sorry, you have to see my OCD-ness. But yeah, come in, play around with it. You can bold it. You can do any green, italicize thing, but so, that should, anyway, so I'm going to save that contract, and that will now be across all job types for me to select.